Hey folks, this is Casey out of Rainier Dodge in beautiful Olympia, Washington. Check us out at 360-754-5550 for your Dodge Hornet specials. This month, as low as on the showroom floor anyways, $229 a month with $5,000 down on a 36-month lease. You can see some of these wonderful payments right there on the QR codes of each one of these Hornets. If you pause the video and scan the code, I'm sure it'll pop up for you. Where else can you find a vehicle that's going for $45,000 like that Acapulco Gold right there for close to $300 a month? Or if you decide to put zero down, go ahead and play with the payment tool that pops up when you scan the QR code. 32 miles on an electric charge on these plug-in hybrids. 0 to 60 in like 5.6 seconds, somewhere close to that, and an absolutely fun car to drive. Let's check this one out real quick. You got the black rims, you've got the beautiful blacked out logo, the blacked out tail rear view mirrors, the wonderful leather interior, and very nice bolsters. I like how they put the Dodge right there in cloth. The huge sunroof on top, the whole thing opens up. Looks absolutely gorgeous on top as well. Lots of space for you and the family in a vehicle that should get, according to the EPA, 77 miles per gallon and energy in an all-wheel drive with all the technology you would expect in today's modern automobile, and dual exhaust. Come on down to 360-754-5550 Rainier Dodge, Olympia, Washington. Dodge Hornet. Thanks for watching.